Welcome to TLH Patterns. I'm Pradeepa. In today's video, we are going to see how to crochet a lovely scarf. This would be a great scarf for men actually. Beginners may not find it very easy because this pattern uses front post treble crochet stitch, but it's not very difficult to learn. You'll be repeating only 2 rows. This scarf is about 12 inches wide and I made it 75 inches long. Length is adjustable. You'll need approximately 750 meters of light worsted weight or category 3 yarn, and I used a 5 mm crochet hook. Let's begin now. Make a slip knot and work 56 chains. These chains are in multiples of 7. So if you want a wider scarf, you can increase chains in multiples of 7. Now we'll start the first row. Skip first 3 chains from the hook and work a double crochet into the 4th chain. So this skipped 3 chains will count as the first stitch. And now we have made the second stitch and work 3 more double crochets, 1 in each chain. We'll start the repeats. Make 2 chains and then skip 2 chains. Work double crochet into the next 5 chains. Make 2 chains. Skip the next 2 chains. Work double crochet into the next 5 chains. Repeat this across. First row is complete. Let's begin the second row. Chain 1 and turn, and then work single crochet in each stitch. Then work 2 single crochets in the next chain 2 space, and then work single crochet in next 5 stitches. Repeat this until the end of the row. You'll have 54 single crochet stitches. You'll work the last single crochet at the top of the turning 3 chains. Start the third row with 3 chains. This will count as the first stitch, and then turn. And now we are going to work a cable stitch. For that, we'll work front post treble crochet stitches into the double crochet stitches 1 row below. We'll be working crossed stitches. I'll show you how. Yarn over twice and then insert hook around the post of the fourth stitch. We have 5 double crochet stitches, so now insert hook around the post of the fourth stitch, going from front to back and coming to front again, and then yarn over and pull a loop through the stitch. And now you'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops, once again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Make 1 chain, and again we'll work another front post double crochet stitch, this time around the post of the second stitch. The chain 3 at the beginning is the first stitch. We'll work around the post of this second stitch. Yarn over twice, insert hook from front to back, and then bring the hook to the front again, and then yarn over and pull up a loop from behind the post of the stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now this forms a crossed stitch, and then we'll make a double crochet. So you have this last stitch. Above the last stitch you have a single crochet. Work a double crochet into this single crochet. We'll start the repeats, make 2 chains, and then skip the next 2 single crochets above the chain 2 space and work a double crochet into the next single crochet. This single crochet is above the first double crochet of the next set of 5 double crochets. Next we'll be making the crossed stitch. Work a front post double crochet around the post of the fourth double crochet 1 row below. Then chain 1, and now front post treble crochet around the post of the second double crochet. And then a double crochet in the single crochet that is above the fifth double crochet. Then 2 chains, skip the next 2 single crochets, double crochet in the next single crochet, and then a front post double crochet around the post of the fourth double crochet. Chain 1, then front post triple crochet around the post of the second double crochet. Double crochet in the next single crochet which is above the last double crochet. Repeat this across. Next is the fourth row, which is the single crochet row. Chain 1 and turn. Work single crochet in the first stitch. Next single crochet into the front post treble crochet. Next single crochet in the chain 1 space, and then next in the front post treble crochet, and next in the double crochet. So you have 5 stitches, and then work 2 single crochets in the chain 2 space. Repeat this across, working 1 single crochet in each stitch and 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space, and then 2 single crochets in the chain 2 spaces. You will have 54 stitches. Next is row 5. Make 3 chains. This will count as the first stitch. Turn and now work a front post treble crochet around the post of the second front post treble crochet. Chain 1 and then a front post treble crochet around the post of the first front post treble crochet. Then you'll work a double crochet in the single crochet that's above the next double crochet, and then 2 chains. Skip the next 2 single crochets and work a double crochet into the next single crochet which is above the first double crochet, and then front post treble crochet around the post of the second front post treble crochet. Chain 1, front post treble crochet around the post of the first front post treble crochet. Double crochet in the next single crochet which is above the last double crochet, and then 2 chains. Skip the next 2 stitches and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this across. This is row 5 and next will be the single crochet row which is row 4. So you'll be repeating these 2 rows until you reach your desired length. A return pattern will be available in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial. Thank you.